So this is how you can create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. To keep it short and simple, I'm just gonna tell you the very basic thing to do is make sure that your prompts are very detailed and straight to the point. Now, how do you make detailed prompts? Well, you can use the help of another fellow AI chatbot, which is ChatGPT. So, you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you that will show consistent characters. So, for example, if you want a red haired image of a girl, AI generated, you can then ask ChatGPT to make you a prompt based on that very girl. So, this is the very basis of our request. Now, you can ask ChatGPT to make the prompt very detailed and consistent so that you can make the characters look better. So here is something I typed out. Make me an AI image generator prompt about a red-haired girl. Please make it so that the prompt is very detailed so that the images will be consistent. And as you can see, ChatGPT will start typing a very long detailed prompt. So here we are. It keeps going and going. All you have to do is copy this and then paste this onto Leonardo AI. And you will 100% have consistent characters with no extra limbs or unnecessary generated images. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.